All right, good morning, sports fans. Welcome back to the channel. So, what are Wayne and Karen doing today? We are leaving Montrose, Colorado, and today should be a really fun day because we're going to ride the $1 million highway. We're going to ride the $1 million highway. A little history on the $1 million highway. It was built back in the 1800s. A guy by the name of Mears, I think. He was originally a prospector, and then he got a highway toll license, something like that. He built the road. A lot of questions about where the name came from. Some people say it cost $1 million a mile to build it. Others say you'd have to pay me $1 million to ride it because it is a little bit dangerous, right? Is this where we want to turn? I don't know. I think maybe it is. Let's just see. There's no signs here. Okay, let's see where we're going here. My GPS isn't connected here. Anyway, we're going to ride the $1 million highway today. Get up to about 11,000 feet. Should be a really fun ride. So let's go. All right, well, so this is downtown Ouray, or Ouray. Very cute, just nestled here in this big mountain valley with high peaks all around us. I don't really get the whole Switzerland of the US from what I'm seeing so far, but it's cute, right? I'll give it that. I was thinking we'd walk around, but these parking spaces are so steep for a motorcycle. It's like, I don't know if I can even do this. I'll have a chat with the wife here in a second, and then this bus is stopped. Side hill. Eesh. Okay, that was Ouray. We are now starting the $1 million highway. Here's a stow vehicle turnout. Yes, indeed. gorgeous valley down here. Wow. And that looks like the road down there, so. I don't know what that mountain is up there, but holy cow, it's just this big bare rock. Unbelievable. So cool. All right, folks, we are now entering the town of Silverton. 9,318 feet of elevation. This also marks the end of the $1 Million Highway. What a spectacular road that was. Lots of traffic, but oh my goodness, was it beautiful. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did, because that was fun. All right, from here we're gonna grab a bite to eat, but next stop is Durango, and then Pagosa Springs will finish our day. All right, well, that was an incredible ride today. The $1 Million Highway did not disappoint. Silverton was a really cute little town. So was Ouray, or Ouray, however you want to say it. And then we slogged it on over here to Pagosa Springs, and that's where we are right now. Amazing ride, just gorgeous. A little bit hairy with those cliffs and no guardrails, but and you know, slow going traffic, but I'm getting used to that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next ride. Ciao.